My friend, imagine using your phone and free AI tools to earn $7,300 every month. No laptop, no adverts, and no big skills are needed. These 6 simple ways can be done from anywhere you are today. My name is CashMintAI. I am happy you are here. If it is your first time, welcome. If not, welcome again.
1. Write YouTube video scripts with ChatGPT. Give your topic, get a script, and sell it to YouTubers needing ideas.
Number 2. Create professional images for business owners. AI tools make sharp product photos and flyers people will gladly pay for.
Number 3. Help new YouTubers set up their channels. Many cannot make banners, write good descriptions, or choose right keywords. Number 4. Find high-demand products using AI. It shows what is trending, selling fast, and even where to buy those products.
Number 5. Design burial posters and invitations. People need them quickly. AI can make them beautiful within minutes without stress.
Number 6. Use ChatGPT to solve mathematics for students. Break steps clearly. Get paid for each homework or schoolwork you finish.
All these methods need only your phone and internet. Start one, stay consistent, and you will see steady growth.